Nehu Vice-Chancellor Prabha Shankar Shukla defended the appointment of Senior Consultant and Technical Officer Rohit Prasad in the university. The Vice-Chancellor in a press conference today stated that the appointment was done following all the rules and procedures. The Joint Action Committee consisting of Nehuta, Nehusu and Nehu NSA is prepared to step up its protest if the Nehu Vice-Chancellor does not fire Senior Consultant and Technical Officer Rohit Prasad, who was allegedly recruited illegally.
Any allegation, any paper, any जो है proof, how any administrator or any person are in position to terminate anyone, either contractual or the lender. But there is a procedure now. Yes, if you have any allegation, you can raise the allegation. We will constitute a committee. Accordingly, I am ready to take the decision to terminate the Nehu Prasad also.
On popular